Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be fixing an LG G3. I believe the battery is deeply discharged, but I'm not fully sure. You'll be needing an LG G3, a spare cable. You could just use like an old cable that you're not using. This one's USB-C. You can use micro USB, whatever you want. A small Phillips screwdriver, and pry tools. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking off the back. To do that, you're gonna get your pry tools. The first thing we're gonna do is find like a little opening or anything you can to pry up on. You can use metal or plastic. I prefer plastic. You're gonna have to like make a little gap. This has already been opened in the past, so it's a little easier. Unscrew all these screws that you see here. I'll cut it for you so you don't have to wait. You're gonna remove this cover, place it somewhere safe. Now what we're gonna do is, with your spudger, your fingernail would work too, disconnect the battery cable. Now with the same screwdriver, now on the top board here, you're gonna disconnect these sub-connectors. Isopropyl alcohol would definitely help here, but we're gonna pry out this battery. Proceed with caution and do this at your own risk. You're gonna take these two pieces of tape out. Once you remove these two pieces of tape, you're gonna take this, even more tape. You can use your spudger to help you over here. And now you screwed up the whole repair. Okay, I accidentally messed it up. Don't do what I did. I accidentally ripped off the flex cable over here from the BMS board. Do not do that. Okay. From the back tape, I'll still show you how to do it. You're gonna get 3 batteries. This works on any phone. You just need to adjust the batteries for that. You're gonna get 3 batteries. Get your wire from your phone charger. You connect them in series like this. You just go positive, negative. Oh, I did it backwards, positive, negative. And on the other side, you do the same thing. If you look closely here, the negative side would be here, positive side would be here. If you look closely, you could see the terminals on both sides. From there, it's just doing everything in reverse, putting the battery back in, plugging everything back in.